Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 4 to the power of s plus 4 to the power of s plus 4 to the power of s is equal to 36. Solution. Then here we have 4 to the power of s plus 4 to the power of s plus 4 to the power of s, which is equal to 36. We can see that 4 to the power of s is common. Let's bring it out. We have 4 to the power of x bracket. If you divide this by this, we have 1 plus, if you divide this by this, we have 1 plus, if you divide this by this, we have 1 is equal to 36. Here we have 4 to the power of x bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, is equal to 36. Now we can divide both sides of this equation by 3. Let's divide this by 3 and here by 3. This we cancel this. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 12. Then we have 4 to the power of x is equal to 12. Now let's take the log of both sides. At this point, we have log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 12. Then take note of this, that if you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b log a. Then this equation can be written as x log 4 is equal to log 12 can be written as log 4 multiplied by 3. Also, take note of this, that if you have log m multiplied by n, this is equal to log m plus log n. Then this equation can be written as x log 4 is equal to log 4 plus log 3. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 4 because we are looking for the value of s. This is divided by log 4, this is divided by log 4, and this is divided by log 4. And this we cancel this we cancel this. X is equal to 1 plus log 3 divided by log 4. Then therefore s is equal to 1 plus log 3 base 4. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. But before we check, we are still going to solve another question, which is going to be the second question. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of s plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 36. And when s is equal to 1 plus log 3 base 4, here we have 4 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 4 plus 4 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 4 plus 4 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 4 must be equal to 36. Then we have 3 bracket 4 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 4 must be equal to 36. Now, take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. and this become 3 bracket 4 to the power of 1 multiplied by 4 to the power of log 3 base 4 must be equal to 36. Then here we have 3 bracket 4 to the power of 1. This is 4 multiplied by 4 to the power of log 3 base 4 must be equal to 36. Also take note of this, that if you have m to the power of log n base m, this is equal to n. Then this become 3 bracket 4 multiplied by the whole of this is 3 must be equal to 36. Then we have 3 bracket 4 multiplied by 3, this is 12, must be equal to 36. Now the left hand side, 3 multiplied by 12, this is 36, is equal to 36, which is true. Now let's consider the second question. Let's call this question 2 and call this question 1. Question 2 is 2 to the power of s plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of s is equal to 18. Then here 2 to the power of s is common. Let's bring it out. We have 2 to the power of x bracket. Here is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 18. Then we have 2 to the power of s bracket 3 is equal to 18. Let's divide both sides by 3. This divided by 3. This will cancel this. 3 here 1, 3 here 6. Now we have 2 to the power of s is equal to 6. Let's take the log of both sides. We have log 2 to the power of s is equal to log 6. Then here we have s log 2 is equal to log 6. Then we have s log 2 is equal to log 6 can be written as log 2 multiplied by 3. Then we have x log 2 is equal to, this can be written as log 2 plus log 3. Let's divide both sides by log 2. Divided by log 2 and divided by log 2. This will cancel this. This will cancel this 1. Then x is equal to 1 plus log 3 divided by log 2. Then s is equal to 1 plus log 3 base 2. And this is the final answer. Let's check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 18. Then here we have 2 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power of 1 plus log 3 base 2 must be equal to 18. Now here we have 3 bracket 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 must be equal to 18. Then here we have 3 brackets 2 multiplied by, if you have a to the power of log b base a, this is equal to b. Then the whole of this is 3 must be equal to 18. Now we have 3 bracket 2 multiplied by 3, this is 6, must be equal to 18. Then 3 multiplied by 6, this is 18, is equal to 18, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.